extrude command. Extrude, it is used to create 3D model from 2D sketch. Here you can see I have few 2D objects. These objects we can convert to 3D using extrude command. Very useful command, frequently using command. But one condition, if you want to convert to solid object, you have to close the object properly like this. See here in this rectangle, it is closed object. This circle also, it is closed object. But you can see here, these rectangles are made single lines. So this kind of object you cannot convert to extrude as a solid object. If you convert this one, you will get it as surface object. I will tell you. First, I just go to extrude command and I select this rectangle and simply enter, and which direction you want to extrude, just place it that direction and give the value. I just make it 150, enter. Now the 3D object is ready. If you need to change the visual style, go to realistic, you will get it realistic look. Go back to 2D wireframe, and this one we converted very easily. And this object, it is made single lines. This is not a connected object. It is not a closed object. Now I just go to extrude. If I select any lines, enter, and if you extrude means it will extrude Z direction. See here it is Z direction, it is extrude. But this is not a solid, it is surface. If you go to the realistic, you can see here it is not a solid, this is surface. It is don't have any thickness. This is solid and this one is surface. If you need surface, you can any lines. If you have any lines or without closed object, you can convert to surface. But here we are going to ask only solid. So now see here this circle, it is closed circle. I go to the extrude and I select this circle, enter, and which direction you want, I just move to that direction, and if I click here, it is placed. So simply we converted 2D to 3D object, this one. Now we have few more options. Just go to extrude, select the object, simply enter. Here we have few options. The first one, it is direction. Select this direction and click the first point and the next point. See here it is created extrusion. I go to extrude command again, select this object, enter. Now the second option is path. I select this path and I select this is the path. Now you can see the extrusion is created through that path. Now the next option, go to the extrude and I select this circle, enter, and here also I select path. Select this path, this is actually small spline. I select this spline. Now you can see it is passing through the spline. Now I am going to create few more sketches. I just make a small circle or rectangle. Okay, now XY plane is here, so I created like this. Now I go to the extrude command and I select this circle, enter. Here we have another one more option, it is taper angle. I select this taper angle and I give the taper angle is 15 degree, 15, enter. Now you can see if you made extrusion, depends on the extrusion, you will get it 15-degree taper. See here, this object is made with taper. So then I just make one more sketch also and go to the extrude and I select this one, enter, and here we have expression. You can use multiple type of expression. Here I just use simple expression and I just make 150, then plus 50 plus 25. So like that small simple expression I am using. So here I need to get this length to 25. Simply enter and here it is ready. So select this one. If you go to the properties, you will get it the height. It is to 25. So like that expression also you can use. And if you go to the extrude, you will get it two modes. If you go inside this mode, you will get it two mode. By default, you will get it solid mode. But if you want to make surface mode, you can select this one. You can make a surface. But by default, you can use this solid mode. But surface, when I teach you surface, that time I will teach you about the solid surface extrusion. So this is the way to create extrusion in AutoCAD 3D.